In this video, I'm going to show you how you could add a bank account, add your bank account to YNAB. This app you can save money with. So first thing you want to do is gonna say add accounts right here. So press add accounts, or if it doesn't say this, you can go to settings and privacy and go to account settings, not account settings but manage connections, and you want to press add connection, and then you want to search for whatever your bank is called. So I'm gonna just put Chase Bank, and you're gonna want to put in all your information and stuff. So yeah, that's basically it. Let me try Bank of America. Yeah, you're gonna need a login. Some banks are different. Some banks you just need a login. So yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.